My name is Samitha Ruth. I'm a model, actor and also a rapper. Guess what? Where I am today? I'm at Glojas Clinic. So today I came for a treatment, but before I speak further about the treatment, how did I got to know about Glojas? So Glojas is actually few of my artist friend. They had some uneven skin tone color, and also they had hair falls, and also their health was not that good, and then they came to Glojas and they met few of the specific doctors and they get treated. Couple of months I met them in a function. I asked them, oh my god, you look so different, what you have done? And then they told me, know what Sam, you have to come to Glojas. So today I came here because I've done lots of research about so many clinics, and Glojas, I was very excited because seeing few of my artist friends, they became like a Bollywood superstar. It really excited me, so that I would like to do the treatment too. So today I'm going to do the treatment for my skin, because by professional I work under the field of construction and also architecture. I always go to the site visit, so I always exposed to the sun. So whereby when you expose to the sun, I have this unskin color. So whenever I have these photo shoots or film, the makeup artist would put foundation on my skin because it's all uneven, yeah. So I came here today to do the treatment just to rectify the uneven skin tone today. Wait for my journey, stay tuned.